Hi guys! So there's no outfit video this week. As most of you probably know, the entire doll community basically dropped everything to join Delightful's Tropical Doll collab, and I was no exception. Instead, I have an unboxing. A few months ago, wow, all the way back in May now, I took part in the Galaxy Glamour Swap hosted by Retro Dolls US. It works a little like a Secret Santa. You make a doll for one person, but you have no idea who's making a doll for you. In the end, the artist for my doll is Jett from House of Blix. In order to help the person who's making your doll, you make a Pinterest board, so let's take a quick look at mine before we open the doll. Lots of stars, galaxy as a general theme. I wanted a Galaxy Goddess or an anime girl. I think that's what I put in my description. The dolls were sent out at the very end of May, and mine arrived back in mid-June. So it's about time that I show her off to all of you. I did make an Instagram post back at the time, but I feel like details and stuff like that really come across better in video, so let's take a look. I know this is a weird comment, but I really like the box she came in. I love that it swings open at the top like this. Inside is a letter. I'm not going to read this on camera, but Jett mentions the doll's hands were tied so that she could hold a marble. Interesting. She also mentions that there might be some cat hair from her kitty. No worries, Jett, my own cat is shedding too. Oh nice, some ribbon. I always seem to be running out of cute ribbon. And this is super stretchy too. This would look really nice as a tiny crop top, or maybe the strings of an apron? Super cute. A wand! You can totally see me messing around with the swish and flick from Harry Potter. And here are some cute Galaxy stickers. I actually missed a few of these stickers, so you don't see me pulling them out here, but you do see them later on in the video. See, Luna here was hiding. I think Luna might be my favorite. Or maybe the unicorn? Ah, there's the marble Jett was talking about. It's got a few bubbles inside that I think will catch the light super well. Finally, onto the doll. Wow, that wand really works! Oh, and just a note, the doll did come wrapped up very securely in bubble wrap and tissue paper. I'm just being a massive dork with this wand. Wow, she's really beautiful. The very first thing I noticed was the hair. Glancing over my Pinterest board again, I think it was pretty obvious that I wanted purple hair, and Jett picked up on that, because when I first opened it, I was like, wow, she really nailed it. And it's so long and gorgeous. She even glued tiny confetti stars into the strands to match the dress. Here, let's give her her marble. The dress is just perfect. It's very gauzy and diaphanous, which is exactly what I wanted. It seems to be made up of numerous layers of soft tulle in very different shades of purple and maybe a little blue. And of course there are more of these sweet little confetti stars and moon shapes. Taking a closer look here, we can see that there's a galaxy nebula on her back, wrapping across her shoulder and creeping up onto her neck. It looks utterly gorgeous. These colors are so vibrant and smoothly blended, I'm not sure how she did it. My first instinct is airbrush because the colors are so vibrant, but they do seem a little translucent for that, so maybe pastels? Witchcraft? There's another patch on her leg too, along with all those cute little toe rings. The hair is really long and beautiful too, and it's not just one color either. She has a few little highlights of a lighter, almost white purple in her hair, and then streaks of a deeper purple as well. She's so gorgeous, and I'm so thankful to Jett for making her for me. She's exactly what I was hoping for. Give Jett and House of Blix a look if you haven't already, link in the description box. I hope you liked this video, and don't worry, I'm back on my normal schedule for the second video this month. Give this video a thumbs up if you like star goddesses and galaxies, and subscribe for more doll content. I put out a new video every other week. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now!